Hello, good afternoon, everyone, and here I am again, your teacher Nani says, and today we are going to learn about the concept of integers. So ngayon pag-aaralan natin yung integers, but first of all, I would like to welcome you all sa ating channel, which is Mrs. Domingo's channel. Ayan, so welcome ulit. And now going back, ayan, today we're going to learn about the concepts of integers. Yeah, ayan. So what you'll learn today is you're going to describe the sets of integers. Ano nga ba ang integers? And we're going to represent integers on the number line. So gagamit tayo ng number line to know or to identify ano nga ba yung mga integers. Ayan. Alright. So, ready na ba kayo? Are you ready? Can you show me your thumbs up nga? Ayan. Okay. So, first, let's learn about integer. Ano ba ang integer? So, an integer, is a whole number. It is not a fractional number, so hindi tayo gumagamit ng mga fractions. Hindi siya fraction. And it can be positive, negative, or zero. So here are some of the examples of an integer. It's pwede siyang 5, pwede siyang 10, 245, or pwede din siyang 2,804. Pwede din siyang millions. Pwede din siyang 100,000. Ayan. Pwede din siyang negative. Ayan. So sabi nga, di ba, it can be positive, negative, or zero. So examples of negative integers, pwede siyang negative 1, pwede siyang negative 8, negative 4, negative 25, negative 125, negative 1,200,455. So pwede siyang ganon. And pwede din siyang zero. Ayan. So yun po ang integer. It is a whole number. Ayan. And of course, ano na ba ang whole number? So when we say whole number, these are set of numbers including all positive integers and zero. Ayan, pag sinabing whole numbers, mga positive integers, positive numbers yan, including yung zero. So, hindi po kasama dito ang mga fractions at ang decimals. So, ulitin ko po, whole numbers do not include fractions and decimals. Ayan walang fractions, walang decimals, just whole number. So, an integer, it can be positive or negative. So, when we say positive integers, these are whole numbers whose values are greater than 0. So, from 0, kung nakikita niyo po yung screen natin, ayan, from 0, ayan, papunta siya sa pataas, papunta siya sa right. Ayan. So, it means this is ascending number, pataas, larger number. So, from 0 up to 1, papunta sa 10, papunta sa hundreds, thousands, ayun. So, ibig sabihin, mas mataas siya sa 0, ascending number. So, these integers can be written with or without positive sign. So, nakikita nyo naman yung positive sign. So, pwede siyang maisulat with or without positive sign. So, yun po yung mga positive integers. We also have here negative integers. So, pag sinabing negative integers, these are whole numbers whose values are less than 0. Mas mababa sila sa zeros. And these numbers can be found to the left of 0. And these numbers are always written with negative sign. Lagi silang may negative sign. So, kung nakikita niyo po sa screen, from 0, ayan, papunta siya sa left. So, from negative, 0, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, pababa. So, yung palaki ng number niya, di ba, negative 1, negative 2. So, palaki yung number niya, paliit naman yung value niya. So, that is negative integer. It is exactly opposite of positive integers. Ayan. Okay, so we have here next. This is an integer number 9. So, as you can see, ayan, so ating integer number line, yung gitna niya is 0. So, from 0, ayan, to the right, to the right. Those are positive integers. So, numbers 0 to its right are positive. And if the numbers from 0 papunta naman sa left, those are negative integers. Ayan. So, positive sa right, negative naman sa left of 0. So, ang 0, it is neither positive or negative. So, always remember, positive integers are exactly opposite of negative integers. Pero, always remember then, kids, that positive, they are greater than 0. Palayo ng palayo sa 0, ayan from right to pagpalayo ng papalayo sa 0 papunta sa right, palaki ng palaki yung value of number. But, if from 0 at papunta sa left, tapos palayo siya ng palayo, ayan, paliit ng paliit yung value of the number. Okay, so yun po yung always tatandaan. Alright, so I have here seatwork. Sige nga, can you please identify which are the integers in this set of numbers? Ayan. So we have here negative 4, 1/2, 3, negative 2, 0, 2.5, 8, positive 6, negative 7, 1.22, 3/4, 0.8, 1, and positive 9. So, alin kaya dyan ang integers? Diba sabi nga natin kanina, integers are whole numbers. Integer can be positive or negative, or it may be 0, diba? It can be 0, sorry. Ayan. So, sige nga, let's check. Ano nga ba ang mga integers in this set of numbers? Ayan. So, sabi nga nila, there can be no decimal or fraction. Alright. So, if you're guessing it right, or if you have answers on your notebook, ayan, sige nga, let's check nga if it is correct. Okay. So, let's check if your answers are correct. So, syempre, yung mga integers dyan, yung mga whole numbers can be positive or negative. And pwede ding 0. Basta, hindi pwede ang fraction or decimal. No. Okay. So, yan yung nakikita nyo sa screen. So, yung mga encircled numbers, those are the integers. Hindi sila fraction, hindi din sila decimal numbers. So, ano ba yung decimal numbers? Yung may mga point, yun. So, hindi sila ganon. Alright, so mga answers, integers, we have negative 4 here, 3, negative 2, 8, positive 6, 8, negative 7, 1, and positive 9. So, if you have these answers, then you are correct. Well, great job ka done. High five. Oh, ayan. Alright. So, next, let's have another. So, we have here kinesthetic activity. So, we have here a number line. So, on this number line, ayan. So, 5 places to the left. Papunta sa left of 0 is represented by which integer? So I have here number 0, syempre nasa gitna siya. Alright, so ang sabi, 5 places to the left of 0. So we're going to count 5 moves, ayan, to the left. So we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Ayan. So now, what integer is now represented? From from 0, ano na kaya yung number niya? Anong integer na kaya yon? Ayan. So since papunta siya sa left, ano sabi? All numbers to the left of 0 is negative. Diba? Negative. Ayan. So that means it should be negative 5. Ayan. Kasi diba 5 places from 0 to the left. Ayan. So that will be negative 5. Alright? Nakuha nyo, kids? So ganun lang siya. Alright. So next, another. So on this number line, Rosa places a coin on positive 4. So on positive 4. So she moves it 4 places to the right. Ano kaya 4 places to the right? So from positive 4, syempre dun ka mag-start sa positive 4. Sige nga, let's try it. Positive 4. Ayan. So you start it at positive 4. So from 0, magka-count ka muna ng 4. So if nakapag-count ka ng 4, ayan, dun ka mag-start magbilang 4 places to its right. So from 4, you move 4 places to the right. Sige nga, kayo nga. So 4, move another 4 to the right. What is your answer? Ayan, syempre, it's 8. Diba mag-move ka papunta sa right. So that is positive. So 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Ayan. So your answer, your integer would be 8. Ayan. Alright, very good. Okay, next, let's have this. So on the number line, Lisa places a coin on 0. And then she moves it 6 places to the left again. Papunta ulit sa left. Which integer would her coin be now? So from 0, you will move it to the left 6 places. Ayan, so from 0, ayan, so mag-move ka ng 6 places to the left. So if you moved it na sa 6 places, will it be positive or negative? Of course, it's negative. Kasi di ba nasa left of 0? Ayan, okay. If your answer is negative 6, then you are correct. Very good. All right. Ayan. Okay, let's have another one. So on this number line, Grace places a coin on negative 4. She moves it 3 places to the right, papunta sa right. Which integer would her coin be on now? Nasaan na kaya yung coin niya? So first, let's analyze. Ang sabi, Grace places a coin on negative 4. So mag-start ka, doon mo ipi-place yung coin sa negative 4. So syempre, negative 4. It is 4 places to the left of 0. So here it is now. And then, so from negative 4, you will move it 3 places to the right. So you will move it 1, 2, and 3. So, which integer would her coin be on now? Nasaan na kaya yung coin na yun? Siyempre, papunta siya sa right. Ayan, papunta siya sa right. What number could it be? What integer could it be? If your answer is -1, ayan, syempre, you are correct. Bakit? Paano nangyari yon? You move your coin to the right. Diba? To the right na. So, lumalaki na yung value. So, every motion to the right, the greater the value is. Or, in other words, for example, may utang ako sa iyong 4. Tapos, nagbayad ako ng 3 piso. So, magkano na lang yung utang ko? May utang ako sa iyong 4, nagbayad ako ng 3 pesos. Magkano pa yung utang ko? Ayan, piso pa. So, utang means negative. So, utang piso, -1. Alright, so, medyo yun lang yung tip para mas mabilis nating makuha yung negative at yung positive. Okay. Ayan. So, let's have another one. So, on this number line, Albert places a coin on +7. +7. And then he moves it 2 places to the left. To the left naman. So, from +7, minove naman niya papunta sa left. Which integer would her coin be on now? Sige nga, let's analyze. Let's put the markings on +7. So, that is 7. And then he moves it 2 places to the left. 1, 2. So, nasa na ngayon yung coin? Where is it now? Nasa na si coin? So, syempre, we're going to babalik tayo. Kasi to the left daw papunta sa left. So, we're going back. Alright. And what could be the number? If your answer is 5, then you are correct. Very good, very good. Ayan. So, our integer is 5 now. Nandun na sa 5. Ayan. So, ganun lang kasimple how to use number line in integer. Ayan. Okay, so now we're going to understand more about integers using the terms. Ayan. Using the terms naman. So, I have here, for example, mga situations, for example, yung mga terms na ginagamit, how to analyze or understand integers. If it is positive ba or negative ba? Positive ba or negative ba? So, for example, number 1, we have 15 degrees above 0. So, when we say above 0, ayan, pwede yang positive kasi pataas. Alright. A loss of 150 pesos. A loss. Yan. Loss, nawalan. Number 3. Sige. Number 3, a gain of 19 pounds. Gain. Gain is the term. Number 4, 13 steps backward. Backward is the term. Number 5, 6 feet below sea level. Below. Below is the term. Temperature in Alaska of 40 below 0. Below again, below. Number 7, climbing a tree up to 10 feet. 8, stepping backward by 3 meters from a point. Number 9, falling from a window 14 feet high. And number 10, Nora gained 8 pounds. So from these terms, we can identify already kasi may mga up, down, Ayan, may mga backward, may mga forward. So, yun pa lang, medyo may hint ka na how to use or kung anong sign yung magagamit mo. Alright? So, for example, when we say above, so pataas siya. That means positive na. Loss, nawalan. So, that will be negative na. Gain, that is positive. Backward, backward. Ayan. We can use as negative. Below, ayan, negative. Up, ayan, positive yan. Backward and falling. Ayan, they can be, or you should use negative by those terms. And gain, syempre, umangat at medyo dumami, di ba? Ayan, so that is also positive. Ayan. So sige nga, let's try to answer this one. Ayan. So I'm giving you a minute for that because it's very, very easy. Or you can pause this before I show you the answers. Ayan. Diba? Madali lang to, don't worry. Ayan, alright. So if you pause this, I can show you the answers now. Alright. Ayan. So first, syempre, 15 degrees above 0 is positive 15. Loss, nawalan. So that is negative. Negative 150. A gain of 19 points is plus 19 or positive 19. 13 steps backward. Backward, that is negative. 6 feet below. Below sea level is negative 6. Temperature in Alaska of 40 below 0 is negative 40 below 0. Climbing up a tree to 10 feet. So that is, yes, that is positive. Stepping backward by 3 meters from a point. Backward means, ayan, negative. Falling from a window 14 feet high. Falling! Bumababa ka. Nalalaglag ka, nahuhulog ka. So that is negative. And number 10, Nora gained 8 pounds. So that is, nag-plus 8 yung kanyang weight. Ayan. So that is positive 8. Alright, thank you for today. Thank you for watching, everyone. Hope you have learned something today with with Mommy Says. Ayan. And of course, hope you learned from me. And syempre, huwag pong kakalimutang mag-like, mag-subscribe after watching this. And please hit that notification bell para po for every video that I'm going to post is, syempre, manonotify po kayo. Okay, salamat po manang marami. And again, this is Teacher Nanay Says of HSK and or says, Mommy Says, ayan. And feel free to get in touch if you have questions. Ayan, this is my messenger and YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe na! Ayan. Alright, so thank you again, everyone, and see you again next time. Bye!